It's frustrating as hell, isn't it? You pour time, money, effort into ventures, chasing growth, chasing returns, and yet the old ways of moving capital feel broken, outdated. You see money flooding into trends that don't just chase profit, but demand real impact, real change. And you're stuck asking, why now? Why is impact investing not just a buzzword, but actually shifting where billions flow, shaking the whole market? The truth is simple but brutal. The old system is failing those who want more than just money. They want to create something that lasts, something that matters. But here's the catch. If you think impact investing is just about feeling good or checking some boxes, you're dead wrong. It's about survival, it's about relevance, and it's about power, real power to bend the future. Capital is running towards impact because it's where the real risk shifts. Legacy investments tied to outdated industries, empty growth models, they're drying up fast. Investors are chasing returns. And meaning, because society demands it, regulations force it, and consumers buy it. If you don't catch this wave now, you're going to be left dealing with the fallout of massive stranded assets and broken businesses within a decade. No sugarcoating. But killing the discomfort is only step one. The real question is, how do you ride this impact investing tsunami without wiping out? Here's what nobody shouts loud enough. You need to think beyond traditional impact metrics. It's not about just doing good. It's about leveraging influence, using your capital to create new markets where impact and profit reinforce each other. This means zero tolerance for impact washing. You must build laser-focused diligence that looks deeper than CSR reports or surface-level sustainability claims. Diagnose the business model. Is impact integral to their growth or just a nice add-on? If it's the latter, don't touch it. Next, double down on transparency and real-time data. Demand from your founders and partners incredible precision about how impact translates into financial outcomes. You need to design deals that reward measurable change and punish deviation fast. This is not for the faint-hearted. It's not about hugging every project that sounds good. You have to be brutally selective and patient, building a portfolio where long-term impact moves market signals, not just goodwill. Another brutal truth: impact investing is borderless. If you're stuck thinking regionally or within your comfort zone, you're losing before you start. Capital moves globally, flows to where the right conditions for scalable impact and returns exist. So get uncomfortable. Seek founders who are solving problems at scale, not just local wins. Collaborate aggressively across borders, sectors, and even traditional competitor lines. The power is in these unexpected connections. General partners, investors, founders intertwining expertise, resources, and vision. That's how you build something no single player can. And finally, always question the legitimacy of the impact you're funding. Is it really shifting power dynamics? Is it creating new value chains and opening opportunities for new players? Impact investing without shaking up the status quo is just handcuffs in fancy wrapping. You want capital that changes rules, rewires incentives, and rewrites outcomes. That's how capital flows are reshaped. Because in the end, impact investing isn't a trend. It's a structural reset of how value is created and shared. But most miss the point. They treat it like a soft patch for the damage rather than the foundation of the next system investors and founders will depend on. So here's the real, unfiltered challenge. Don't chase impact because it's hot or because others are doing it. Chase it because if you want to be relevant, if you want power as a founder or partner, you need to master this shift. Double down on rigorous assessment. Insist on measurable outcomes, push beyond borders, and build ruthless partnerships. Then, and only then, you don't just ride the wave, you steer it. If that idea feels uncomfortable, good. That means it's real. The future is not for those who play it safe or nostalgic. It's for those who take impact investing seriously, demand more from capital, and refuse to fund anything that doesn't change the world and the bottom line at once. This is how you transform frustration into unstoppable momentum. This is what reshaping capital flows looks like right now. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and check the featured link to learn more.